In the moomoo app, you can easily access the Help Center and contact our customer service team if you have any inquiries. Need help? Check if you can find the answer to your inquiries at our Help Center. Tap on Me at the bottom right of the screen and tap Help Center. There are two ways to search for an answer at the Help Center. You can search for your answer based on the different criteria and categories that are listed. Alternatively, you can enter the keywords of your inquiry and the most relevant information will appear. For example, if you'd like to learn the annualized interest rate of margin trading, enter margin interest in the search bar and tap Search Key. In this way, you can quickly access the relevant information and results for margin interest. If you have any questions and would like to access our customer service in the main page, our AI-powered chatbot can assist you in an instant. Our customer service team is always ready to help you too. Please describe your question in detail as this will help us resolve the issue for you. Alternatively, you may also drop us a call at +65 6321 8888 or email our customer service team at clientservice@futusg.com. We'll respond to you as soon as we can. Thank you for your patience. If you have a feedback on our app, tap on App Feedback and describe your suggestions in detail. It would be helpful if you can upload related screenshots too. Your feedback will be followed up by the product manager and will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you for your suggestions. Once again, thank you for choosing moomoo.